In this video, we will learn how to use the measurement tool. It is important to remember that all measurements should always be taken at the floor level. The first thing we want to do is select the measurement tool at the bottom of your screen, and the measurement panel will appear. Within the tour, select the object you wish to measure. You will need to click on the floor of each edge of the item selected. You will notice that your approximate measurement will appear on the line you created as well as in the panel on your right. You can create as many measurements as you wish within your 3D environment. If you need to delete one, simply click on the trash can at the right of your chosen measure within the panel. You also have the option of taking 4-point measurements. The first point should be taken at the floor level, the second at the desired height, the third point should be taken at floor level but diagonally, and the fourth point at the height of the second point, creating an N shape. You can also measure items that are higher on the floor, and you will notice the approximate length of your item appear on your created line as well as in your right panel. You can also create a vertical straight line measurement by simply clicking 3 times at the floor level and raising your mouse to the desired height. You will see a resume of all the approximate measurements you took in your 3D tour appear in the right side panel. If you have any questions, please contact us at hello@urbanimmersive.com.